Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Godox Softbox. First, carefully unpack all the components from its carrying bag. You should find the speed ring, several flexible rods, and the softbox fabric itself. Lay everything out to ensure you have all the necessary pieces. Next, identify the speed ring, which is the central metal hub. Locate the specific holes where the 4 main rods will be inserted. Now, take each rod that is already inserted into the speed ring and gently bend it outwards. This action will begin to form the characteristic dome shape of your softbox. Carefully guide the free end of each rod into the corresponding corner pocket on the softbox fabric. You might need to apply a little pressure to snap them into place, ensuring a secure and taut fit. With the frame assembled, it is time to add the diffusers. First, attach the smaller, inner diffuser to the internal tabs or clips inside the softbox. This helps create a more even light spread. Next, secure the larger outer diffuser to the front edge of the softbox using its integrated Velcro strips. Finally, mount the entire softbox assembly onto your light stand, tightening the locking knob securely. Before you begin shooting, take a moment for final adjustments. Adjust the angle of the softbox on your light stand to achieve the desired light direction and spread. Double-check that all rod connections are firm and that the softbox is securely mounted to prevent any accidents. When you are finished, carefully disassemble and store your softbox components neatly to ensure their longevity and readiness for your next session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.